Hello and welcome to Chris Motorcycles. Got a bit of a gem for you today. This is the 1979 Suzuki GT250 X7. This particular bike has had a full rebuild approximately 850 miles ago, and as you can see, she's looking pretty. It's got the full micron system on there in the blue, and yes, doesn't half look nice. A bit of paperwork with the vehicle as well. And we'll definitely fire this one up for you. Get some smoke in the building. If my esteemed colleague wants to step in and start this for us.
Hello there.
Doesn't half sound nice, this. So turn the fuel on, bit of choke. We always like it when it starts first time. Thank you very much. So we can deliver this bike nationwide for $125, excluding the extremities, and we could possibly arrange finance if required. And if you've got any questions on this vehicle, just give us a call on 01302 760 967 or email us chrisallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. This is actually one of two we've got in stock, so we have a choice. We've got a nice white one as well. And if you like the videos and want to keep up to date with new stock arriving at Chris Motorcycles in Doncaster, please like and subscribe. Have a good day. Cheers.